Congress. Noun. A formal gathering or assembly, a conference held to discuss or decide on a specific question. Congress. Noun. Often capitalized, Congress, a legislative body of a state, originally the bicameral legislature of the United States of America. Congress. Noun. An association, especially one consisting of other associations or representatives of interest groups. The National Congress of American Indians. Congress. Noun. Coitus, sexual intercourse. Congress. Verb. To assemble together. Congress. Verb. To meet in a congress. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.